Hi guys, this is Alicia Batra from Real Estate with Alicia. Welcome back to my YouTube channel once again, and this time I am in the location of West Delhi. I am standing at One Midtown by DLF, which is located at Moti Nagar. And first have a look at this beautiful view of New Delhi. The lush green spaces, everything looks so mesmerizing. And now I am standing here at one of the sample apartments of One Midtown. Before showing you the apartment, I would like to discuss about few pointers as to why DLF 1 Midtown was a super hit. Now let's talk about New Delhi and the kind of properties available over here. In New Delhi, what happens is you would find a lot of kothis, bungalows and builder floor options to accommodate different kind of living. But there are few people who miss the safety, security, lifestyle and amenities of a high-rise society. So keeping that in mind, DLF came up with its project One Midtown, which is a premium and niche category project. So if you all have seen DLF Capital Greens, you might be aware about the location. So in New Delhi, there are not many high-rise gated society options available because there is not that kind of land parcel. So DLF became also hit because the supply was quite limited, but the demand was too high for the high-rise gated society. And we all know DLF, the brand which is known for its legacy, credibility, on-time delivery. And then the One Midtown is a premium category project. They have got the Infinity Edge pool. They have got beautiful terrace garden at the 40th floor. They also have the thing for the pool parties if people can take allowance. So this is a beautiful society. I'm going to give you the tour of the society also. There are 4 towers, A, B, C, D. So right now I'm in Tower C. I'm going to show you a 3.5 BHK sample apartment over here. 3.5 BHK, 3 bedroom and 1 servant room. So yes, it's beautiful. 6 apartments in just 1 floor plate. Beautiful apartment. Let's go have a look at it. Okay guys, so this is the drawing area of One Midtown's 3.5 BHK sample apartment. So here is the sofa that you can have a look at, and from here you can enjoy beautiful views of New Delhi skyline. And then over there is your dining table. It is such a good size, the living area, that you can accommodate. It can accommodate the dining table as well as this drawing area also, the sofa. And now here comes the first bedroom, which also has the views of New Delhi, which I showed you earlier from the video started. And this is the complete bedroom. These are the wardrobes. And now let's have a look at the washroom over here. Now guys, have a look at the detailing and colors of this apartment. Now, of course, you would have to bring your own movable furniture, but at least you can have a look at how they have done the interiors. So this side also they have conceptualized as a beautiful storage and the bar space. And then here comes the kitchen. So the kitchen is also fully equipped. You get your microwave and oven also. So you get your chimney and hob also. And here again you have got the access to the balcony. And it is very important to have a ventilation point in your kitchen to avoid the suffocation and everything. So this is what you get over here. As I stand here, here are the 2 bedrooms. First I'm going to start with here. Let's enter this bedroom. So it's again a beautiful and spacious, well lit, beautifully done bedroom. Here again we have got the balcony. Every room is having the balcony. Here again you get a beautiful New Delhi view. Could you please zoom on the road over there, see how beautiful it is looking. And then this is your wardrobe. This is your mirror area. Now we are entering the washroom. So this is the washroom, and then let me show you the other one as well. So this is your powder washroom. And then here is your another 3rd bedroom. This looks so beautiful. Again, we have got the balcony also over here. It could be used as a room for your children. You've got a study table also over there. As I stand here, I want you to have a look at this servant room. This you can actually utilize it in your own manner. If you do not want to utilize this one as a servant room, you could easily convert it to a studio or anything that you would like, because it's really nice and it has got its own washroom also. So yes, and here is the entrance. This is the foyer area. सो गाइज, आपने अभी सैम्पल अपार्टमेंट तो देख ही लिया है. अब मैं आई हूँ पोडियम लेवल पे एंड मैं कहाँ बैठी हूँ. आई एम सिटिंग एट द मेन अट्रैक्शन ऑफ वन मिड टाउन विच इज़ द इन्फिनिटी एज पूल. सामने देखिए एकदम सनसेट हो रहा है, इतना प्यारा व्यू लग रहा है और वो पूरा आपका पूल है इन्फिनिटी एज पूल. इट लुक्स सो ब्यूटिफुल. मुझे ऐसी फील ही नहीं आ रही है कि मैं एक सोसाइटी या अपने किसी घर में हूँ. यू नो वट गाइज, व्हेन पीपल बाय एन अपार्टमेंट in a high rise now, so they just don't buy a home, they actually enter into an ecosystem which has to offer them the lifestyle, safety, security, amenities. एक ऐसा एरिया जहाँ पे उनको you know literally they get the peace of mind. तो अभी उधर उस साइड पे मॉल भी है which was lot talked about by DLF, जिसके अंदर आपका PVR भी होगा. लीजिंग इसके अंदर सिर्फ और सिर्फ DLF के पास में है. सो अपने आप में ही ये बहुत ही प्यारा ब्यूटीफुल टॉप नॉच इकोसिस्टम रहेगा. अब आप मेरे पीछे सारे टावर्स देख सकते हो, टावर A, B, C एंड D. तो इस टाइम पे आपको 3 BHK की अवेलेबिलिटी बहुत ही अच्छी आई हुई है, मिल जाएगी 3.5 BHK. सो आई वुड लिटरली रेकमेंड यू ऑल टू गेट इन टच इफ़ यू रियली वांट टू लिव इन अ लाइफस्टाइल दैट प्रमोट्स पीस, सिक्योरिटी, सेफ्टी एंड अ ब्रांड लाइक DLF. मैं जब 3 साल पहले आई थी, जब मैंने 3 साल पहले यहाँ पे अंडर कंस्ट्रक्शन में अपार्टमेंट सेल करे थे ना, ये चीज़ों के बारे में बातें होती थी. एंड नाउ व्हेन आई एम स्टैंडिंग देयर एंड लिटरली सीइंग ऑल ऑफ इट, आई फील सो ग्रेटफुल दैट आई हैव सोल्ड अपार्टमेंट्स इन अ प्लेस विच लिटरली डज नॉट सेल ब्रोशर्स बट एक्चुअली ब्रोशर्स को लाइफ में लेकर आते हैं. सो एवरीवन इज़ हैप्पी, ब्यूटिफुल प्लेस. गेट इन टच विद मी. आपको इधर ज़रूर, इफ़ यू आर लुकिंग टू बाय अ प्रॉपर्टी इन वेस्ट दिल्ली इन अ हाई राइज gated society, one midtown is a no brainer. Contact me over here. We are the official channel partners. My name is Alicia Batra, company name PropCheckmate Private Limited. And आप मेरे साथ टच में आओ. मेरा नंबर एंड ईमेल आईडी भी मेंशन है, आप कॉन्टैक्ट करिए मुझे. Let's get you the beautiful home in DLF 1 Midtown. Bye.